Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the vehicle and opening the system interface. This prevents resets from failing due to safety locks. Once parked on level ground and the parking brake is set, turn the ignition to accessory or start the engine per model instructions. Navigate to the vehicle settings in the infotainment system or find the physical auto start-stop button if present. Make sure you have the owner manual or VIN nearby, in case settings are hidden behind secured menus. This saves time and avoids You now perform the actual reset. Follow the on-screen flow to change the auto start-stop state. Once in the correct menu, choose Reset, Disable, or the factory default option and confirm any prompts. Some cars require a long press or a 2-button sequence to accept the change. If the screen returns to the previous state, cycle the ignition. Turn off, wait 10 seconds, and restart the system to force the update. Make sure to watch for confirmation messages and an icon change on the dash to indicate success. You finish by verifying the reset under real conditions. Drive at low speed where the auto stop normally activates and observe the dash indicator or listen for the engine cutting. If the system still behaves the same, there may be stored faults. Check battery voltage, ensure software is up to date, and scan with an OBD2 reader for codes related to the start-stop system. If error codes persist or the ECU won't accept changes, contact your dealer or a certified technician for deeper diagnosis and possible reprogramming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.